you can describe the motion with respect to ground. Or you can also describe this entire motion is equivalent to once I'll make you to recollect, then we'll discuss the numericals here. So this is a point P, no? Then if you stand here, then what you see that all points are rotating with same angular velocity omega. Then what is the velocity of any point? I want velocity of this point. What I should do? I'm going to draw, then I'll get velocity v1. I want velocity of this point. What shall I do? I'm going to draw a line perpendicular, I'll get v2. So what is this? With what angular velocity? Pure rolling. It's a pure rolling. The body is having pure rolling. When pure rolling only, this will come. If you stand on the ground, you see all points are rotating about center of mass and center of mass moving. With angular velocity omega, they're rotating the center of mass. If you come and stand here, exactly here, and what is this P now? Instantaneous center. Don't call here instantaneous center. What is the velocity of point P? You are going to write, and for pure rolling, that's all. You say what is velocity of point P? This person what he says, velocity of point P at that instant is 0. Now instead of standing there, you better come at point where velocity is 0. At that instant, you stand at a point where velocity of the lowest point is 0. Then what will happen? The all bodies will appear as if rotating about point P. With the same angular velocity, with what omega they're rotating about, see, with the same. This point P is called as now instantaneous center. And an axis passing through instantaneous center is called as instantaneous axis of rotation. And in short, we'll call it as IAOR. What is the advantage of this? Tell me like which particular motion you find very difficult to define. This one, no, it's like a pure circular motion. What about here? Both translative, rotative motion. So here what happened? About P, only rotative motion. About G, both rotatory. Yes, somebody? About P, both rotatory and translator. Are you getting the core idea? This is the core idea of this one. G means above the ground. Here somewhere is standing here. P is instant center. Tell me like which one you can. I think I really like this one. This is easy. So therefore I'll give priority for this. Got the idea now? And we also derived LGZ is equal to LPZ. We also found out the kinetic energy, everything. So either you study the motion of the object either being on the ground or at point P, everything is same. So therefore this will be preferred here. So how to calculate the velocity of any point? So what we do, we'll locate instantaneous center of a system and all points are rotating about instant center as it's a pure circular motion problem, and we'll work